Hey everyone, my name is Saf. You're watching Ray on Tech TV, and today in this session we'll be continuing on UI UX development series for Appian. Today I have a special component for you to showcase that is web content field. Web content field is nothing but an iframe tag of Appian. So just like we studied in HTML, we are having an iframe tag which is used to embed other interfaces in Appian. Sorry, embed other interfaces in other website. So if you are having a parent website which you want to showcase a section which is coming from other URL, so you can use iframe tag in HTML. Similarly, we can embed other web pages in Appian interfaces to showcase the streamlined connected page, but it is technically a part of another URL. So if we drag and drop this web content field, I'll show you just below this one, or maybe we can remove the other code. Let me keep it as of now. So if we drag and drop the web content field, we can see that we are having some basic properties called label and label position. I need not to explain you this. Let's continue on other properties. Instructions, it will just come below the heading, like about it is explaining about what this component is about. Help tooltip will be a question mark again. Then show when we can put a condition on what you have to show. Then source is nothing but a URL that you can put source. If you see, it is a safe URI. It is the location of the external content. Then show border. Do you want to show the border, true or false? Height. What is the height? Like small, like tall or something. Let's see. Yeah, tall, short, or medium. Then alternative text for screen readers. Accessibility text. Alternative text if the page fails to load. Accessibility text is for screen readers. Disabled. Will it be disabled to interact for the user? If the user is prevented to be interacting to it, then it will be disabled. You can flag it by true or false, and then yes, margin above and margin below. So let's find Wikipedia, a basic URL, grab this up, and source property. Let's try this if it works. Yep. As you can see now, Wikipedia is technically another web page, which is this one. Now it is a part of Appian because of this interface embedding using this function. Now what's the function? Nothing but web content field. So it takes the URI or the safe URL and converts it into the Appian translation values and try to render the entire web page into this field. Now if you can see, we can interact. If we search Appian here, we can search the app and we will get the Appian. It is just like a separate section which is allowing user to interact with another website embedded on the current screen. So you can use this if you have a use case to use it like this. Let me save it and let me refresh my screen and let's see how it goes. Now the challenge with embedding is not every website that you see on external global web pages in a browser is ready to embed it. Only few specific websites are allowing the feature to get themselves embedded into another screens. So this is again a big challenge for developers to choose any public domain website to be allowed to embedding. For example, let me take Google. So we are having Google search engine, right? If I try to embed this, let's see if it is embedding or not. It is not. So there are a lot of websites which do not allow itself to get itself embedded. So Wikipedia is one of the friendly websites which is allowing embedding, but Google and other YouTube, these websites do not get itself embedded to other websites. So this is one of a good thing to learn, that embedding is not a free to use thing for a universally. It is not a universal rule that you can embed every website in your main application in any platform. Next, we are having show border. Okay, do we have a different property for show border? No, it is not. Yep. If it is show border is true, then your border will come, else it will not come. Let's see the documentation of web content field. which will help us analyze it more. So we can go to web content field, learn more, 24.2. Now, as we can see that there are a lot of properties that we have already discussed. There are few things that I want to showcase that it does not offers offline mobile compatibility. In portals, it is compatible. This field is compatible. So we have also given a URL here. Now, one thing to notice is the URL that we are providing, it is not a kind of a normal URL. First thing, it demands HTTP, means complete URL is demanded by it. It's not that you just select a URL and do www dot and then the URL will be workable. No, it has to be a secure HTTPS URL. So that is something that is a demand by this actual function. So this is something that I want to showcase, that yes, how you can embed other URLs. If you really like my video, drop a like, comment, and subscribe this channel. This is my only fuel of motivation. So till then, I'll see you in the next lecture. Thank you.